guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Chep. Welcome to another video. Guys, I've not been posting for a while. I was not feeling well, but now I'm back. So in this video we are going to clean the utensils with you, cook dinner with you. So we are going to cook beef stew mixed with potatoes with boiled rice. So see you. Let's get to the video. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. Guys, we are in road to 1k subscribers, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mary Chep. So let's get to the video.
Just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever. You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain make out, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. Get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do. Supposed to do. Brain makeup. I know what I'm supposed to do. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain make out, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. Get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I'm supposed to.
Hello guys, welcome to another video. It has been long since I posted, but today we are going to cook. So we are going to cook potatoes with beef stew and rice. So here is our ingredients: the carrots, dania, hoho and tomatoes. So let's first start by washing our beef. First, let me wash my hands. So we are going to wash our meat first. This is the sufuria which we are going to use to cook. Then we add in water for boiling. I think that's enough. So this is our so we are going to add in some salt for boiling the meat. Going to cover our meat. And guys, here we have our tomatoes, onions, carrots, dania, hoho and garlic. And here we have our washed potatoes and rice. So our meat is ready. So we are going to drain in the water. Next we are going to add in our tomatoes. So we are going to leave our tomatoes to cook for a while. So we are going to cover it. Our tomatoes are cooked, so we are going to add in our potatoes. Then we are going to mix them properly. Then we add in some water for the stew. So we are going to test if the salt is enough. So I'm going to add a little salt. And that's enough. The salt is enough, so we are going to cover it and wait for the potatoes to cook. So guys, as you can see, our stew is ready. So we are going to add in to garnish it with dania. So our stew is ready, so we are going to boil our rice. So we are going to remove the stew from the fire. So since we are cooking 1 glass of rice, we are going to use 2 glasses of water, because we are cooking rice for 1 person only. So we are going to add in some salt. That's enough. Some cooking oil, just a little. That's enough. So we are going to leave our water to boil so that we add in our washed rice. See you when our rice is ready. Bye. Guys, our supper is ready. Wow, it looks yummy. So we have some avocado, then the stew with potatoes, then boiled rice. So welcome supper, guys. We have come to the end of the video. See you on the next one. Bye.